Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am starting this new series wherein I will be doing more celebrity inspired makeup and hairstyle videos, as we always have some occasion to go where we want to bring out that Indian vibe out and also want to flaunt our sparkling outfit, makeup to look the best in the event, whether it's your relative marriage, your friend's marriage, your own marriage. If you're here for the first time, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. I do makeup, lifestyle and skincare video a lot. And let's get started with our first video of this series, which is inspired from Alia Bhatt's stunning, glowing, pinky makeup look. Let's get started. After my daily skincare routine, I always start by spraying either toner or any kind of spray on my face to feel fresh and also prep my skin to start applying makeup. After waiting for a few seconds, we'll be starting off with the eyes first. I am using concealer. This one is from LA Girl Pro High Definition Concealer in the shade GC 972 Natural. I am spreading it all over my eyelids and smudging with the warmth of my ring finger. First, I'm going to take this neutral shade called Purity from my Athena palette and set my concealer in place by applying it all over my eyelids. Next, I'm dipping my brush in the shade called Velour and I'm applying in my crease area as a transition shade. I'm going back and forth in the windshield wiper motion, spreading it just close to my eyebrows but not touching them. Taking a shade Justice on a new clean brush and working on the outer corner of my eyelids, go little by little and take your time in depositing the color. Once you're satisfied with the color, start blending in the circular motion with a very light hand. The next palette I'm hopping on is a Winter Berry palette from Coastal Scents, and I'm taking this metallic pink shade which has a little sweet shimmer in it. I will apply it all over my eyelid with the help of a flat shader brush, and then I'll take the crease brush with no product on and blend everything so that everything is nice, seamless and smooth. And then I pop on this white shimmer onto my brow bone area to oomph out my brows. Now let me take a moment to talk about this next product which have made my life so easy. This is called a magic eyeliner and stamp seal. I am worst in doing my perfect liner, but look at this product. It has a regular eyeliner pen at one side, but on the other side it have a stamping kind of a tool that will help you to even out your eyeliner, and your eyeliner will be on fleek every time. All you have to do is place it at the corner of your eye where you actually want your wing and stamp it. Forget about all the hassles of matching or evening out the liner, drawing the line, the perfect angle. Forget about all the hassle. Now we have to move to our face, so I am wiping out all the fallout and start with my primer. I will recommend this primer if you have oily skin or big pores. You will see in a moment how it turns my skin upside down and make it less oily, more smooth, and also how flawless the foundation application will go on. This product is called No Pore Blem Primer from Touch and Soul. I got it from Amazon and I will leave the link in the description if in case you guys want to purchase it. And just for disclaimer, this video is not sponsored from any of the product company or brand. Giving a foundation bottle a good shake. The foundation I'm taking sits amazingly on my skin in this summer season. This one is from Wet n Wild in the shade Desert Beige, and then I am also taking one more shade lighter than my skin tone. This one is shade Golden Beige, and I apply it on the highlighting area on my face only, and with the help of a beauty sponge blend it gently into your skin. Using Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Light Medium Honey to hide under eye puffiness. This will bring life and light to my tired eyes. And setting everything with the translucent powder. This one is from RCMA, and because the packaging is so painful, I have transferred a little bit of amount into a different container. It's time to give some dimension to our face. I am using this contour stick from Hoola, and I am just drawing some lines on my cheekbones, on my forehead, kind of sculpt and contour to slim out our face. Once again, with the same sponge, blend out everything gently into the skin and make it nice, smooth, and make sure there are no fine lines or harsh lines on your face. And setting the contour with Hoola Bronzer from Benefit. For my brow, I'm using product called Brow from Benefits. I'm quickly just shaping and filling up my eyebrows. Going back to my eyes, I'm using the same Athena palette to just do my under eye area. So I'm using the Purity first in the like 3/4 of my lower eye. As you can see, Alia Bhatt got a really smoke out eyes. So I will be using my Seattle London eyeliner. So I'll be doing my tight lines and my waterline, and again smoked out using a brush. And then yeah, it's mascara time. Curling on my lashes using my L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara. This is like the best in the market. I love it so much. And the highlighter, of course, my favorite. This one I got in my Ipsy glam bag. And look at this. This is a travel size, but still going strong. I think it's been more than 6 months and still have like a lot of product left. And yeah, I'm just using it on the highest point of my face, my cheekbones, my nose, bridge of my nose, and you can see the product is amazing. The blush I'm using is from Makeup Revolution. It's beautiful, really nice peachy brownish color, and it gives a nice tint to your color and not really harsh or something, and just going very gently. I don't want to disturb the base and the foundation and the highlighter which I have on my face. So I'm going very gently with the brush. And the lipstick is the liquid lipstick I'm using from Wet n Wild. I'll leave the link in the description box for these liquid lipsticks. I'm in love with them. The only thing I don't like is like once they are dry, they become really like tight on my lips. So to avoid that, I will definitely use a transparent lip gloss or something. But once I have my eyelashes on, yeah, this is the one I'm using on my lips as a top up. And that's it, we're done. We're done this look. Look at this, how easy it was. And you are all set like Alia Bhatt. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share, guys. Sharing is caring. With that, I am done. I'll see you in the next video. Until we meet next, it's me, Savi, signing out, saying bye and ciao. I love you all. Please don't forget to subscribe and share the video. Bye.